My name is Jacob Agoro. I'm a matron at the Southwest Yorkshire NHS Foundation Trust. I currently work within the acute inpatient services. For me, nursing is not something that I got to because I wanted to. It was something that I got to by luck because I worked as a porter. I have a manager that kind of liked the way I work, how I kind of communicate with people. So he came to me and asked me and said, Jacob, have you ever thought about working as a nurse? And I just said no. And the rest was history, because actually I managed to get into a job at that point in time. I went secondary for my nurse training. But then when I was in my nurse training was when I realized that actually my father did suffer from mental health, but was this something I knew at that point in time what mental health was in Nigeria? And so for me, giving back is what I do now, and I love that, and I love working mental health nursing for that reason. And all I do as a work as part of my matron role is to improve the experience of people that come into contact with us, and couldn't change that for anything. I love it, and I love doing what I do. One of my very long mentors, Edwin, noticed how I have improved within my working life, basically mental health, how I've come from a support worker all the way to becoming a matron, and so he invited me to join the Jabali network, and honestly it's been the best decision of my life, because since I've joined this family, because I call it family, I've grown as a person, I've grown, and I've actually been kind of known way out there in my community, especially in my trust. I was invited to the trust board, which was a public board, and I had to speak about Jabali network. I had to talk about how what we give, how we kind of work together to kind of help people, especially nurses, male nurses, kind of get them that mentorship, really, get them to that next level, and also kind of how do we reach out to get nurses or male to actually come into nursing. So for me, it was really good to talk about that, and I had questions from the public and from the board. So it was really good. It was a good experience. And for me, Jabali really, for me, is just awesome. And something that I would always encourage anybody, especially male, to come and just be part of this, lovely, lovely family.